Welcome to qnawire.
You can do this with permutations because order will matter here, or you can do this with like possibilities. So you got 10 people boarding, and two of them are going to board first. The very first person to get on the plane, there are two different possibilities for it, but then there's only one possibility for the second person, the other first class ticket holder. The other eight that are going to board the plane, meaning the third person to board, there's eight possible ways that that can happen. But then that's happened, order matters. There's only seven ways for the next to happen. And then six, five, four, three, two, one. And so this is the long way of doing it. If you're not familiar with permutations, like this would be, I don't know, it's fine. We'll just do it this way. So we've got 2 times 1, and by the way, this is all multiplication, times 8 factorial, or times 7 times 6 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, forgot my 5 here. We've got our 10 people boarding, two ways for the first person, one way for the second person, the other first class ticket holder, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one way, the last person to do it. That's 80,640, so that's choice 4.